Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, and its benefits. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been around for almost a century, but it has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. The diet is designed to induce a state of ketosis, where the body begins to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. When you consume carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, which is used for energy. However, when you follow the keto diet, you reduce your carbohydrate intake and replace it with healthy fats. This puts your body into a state of ketosis, where it begins to burn fat for fuel instead of glucose. There are several benefits of the keto diet, including weight loss. One of the primary benefits of the keto diet is weight loss. When you follow the diet, your body enters into a state of ketosis, which helps your body burn fat more efficiently. As a result, you may experience significant weight loss over time. Improved insulin sensitivity. The keto diet may improve insulin sensitivity, which is the body's ability to use insulin effectively. When you consume carbohydrates, your body produces insulin to help regulate blood sugar levels. However, when you consume too many carbohydrates over time, your body can become insulin resistant. The keto diet may help improve insulin sensitivity, which can lead to better blood sugar control and improved overall health. Reduced inflammation. The keto diet may also help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a variety of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By reducing inflammation, the keto diet may help lower the risk of these and other chronic diseases. Improved brain function. Some research suggests that the keto diet may improve brain function. When your body enters into a state of ketosis, it produces ketones, which are used for energy instead of glucose. Ketones may provide the brain with a more stable source of energy, which can improve cognitive function. To follow the keto diet, you'll need to reduce your carbohydrate intake and increase your healthy fat intake. This means you'll need to limit your intake of foods like bread, pasta, and sugar, and replace them with foods like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. It's important to note that the keto diet is not for everyone. If you have certain health conditions or are taking certain medications, you should talk to your doctor before starting the diet. Additionally, the diet can be challenging to follow and may not be sustainable for everyone. In conclusion, the keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that can provide numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and improved brain function. If you're interested in trying the keto diet, be sure to talk to your doctor first to determine if it's right for you. Thank you for watching this video on the ketogenic diet. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on health and wellness.